Let me teach you how to edit videos on iMovie. After you open iMovie, just click on movie at the bottom and choose the video you want to edit and click on create movie at the bottom. Then over here on the timeline, let's say you want to cut this video. You can click on it. Once it's highlighted, you want to click on the scissor at the bottom left corner and choose split. And just like that, the exact place where this white line is, it's going to be split up. And if you want to detach the video from its audio, click on detach. The audio will be detached from the video. And if you want to speed the video, click on the time looking icon at the bottom. Drag it forward to speed the video. Drag it back to make the video slower. Right now, the audio is being slower, but if you choose the video and play with it, the video is going to be fast and slow like this, okay? And you can click on the T icon to add text, and this icon for choosing the colors, the intensity of the colors like this, and this little icon to increase the volume of the video and decrease it. After everything is done, you can click on done at the top left and click on this arrow pointing up at the bottom and click on export project. This project will be saved on your gallery, or this video will be exported in your gallery. That's how you guys can edit videos on iMovie. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.